Hello, my dear lovely students. Welcome to the class. My name is Mansi and I am your English grammar educator. Today, I will explain you the 22 chapter of class 8. This chapter name is Word followed by appropriate preposition. Word जो appropriate preposition को follow करते हैं. Abund with the river abunds with fishes. Access to public has no access to this facility. Accused of, he is accused of cheating. तो ये कुछ आपके वर्ड्स हैं जैसे बेस्ड ऑन यू रीच्ड इज नॉट बेस्ड ऑन फैक्ट, बिवेयर ऑफ डॉग्स, केयर ऑफ आई डोंट केयर ऑफ यू. यहाँ पर सेंटेंस में यूज किया है डील विद, ही डील्स विद वेल विद द क्लाइंट. इस टाइप से कुछ वर्ड्स हैं, आप इनको देखेंगे और आपको ये सब समझ में आएंगे. फॉल्स टू, आई कैन नॉट बी, फॉल्स टू माई फैमिली. हार्ड ऑफ, he is hard of hearing. Good at, he is good at tennis. Greet of, for, he has no greet for fame. Glance at, he glance at me. Casually, hope for, let us hope for the best. यहाँ कुछ और वर्ड्स हैं तो आप इनको सबको पढ़िएगा. नेक्स्ट हम क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद एप्रोप्रिएट प्रीपोजिशन. एप्रोप्रिएट प्रीपोजिशन से हमें यहाँ फिलअप्स करने हैं. तो फर्स्ट है हमारे पास I don't care. I don't care for your opinion. I have decided to do it. I am not sure of their plan. I cannot look up to you. Is it completely absorbed by his task या in his task? I have done this task allotted to me. Next हम देखते हैं. What are you looking for? Avail yourself at this facility. Do you believe at God? Or do you believe in God? Underline the correct preposition. They operate dash her yesterday evening. On her yesterday evening. They operated from Bihar is rich in minerals. The little girl laughed at the poor man. He is prone with illness. I prefer coffee to tea. You weren't polite to me last night. She prevented me with dash entering his room. From entering her room. We are talking with respect to the matter. Now come to the next question. Fill in the blanks using the following words with appropriate preposition given in the bracket. I dash about my salary with manager. I debated. She is a dash of my crime, so the police is always after her. An honest leader should do his best to maintain the welfare of his team. If you do not know the meaning of any words, you should refer to dictionary. He had not joined the parliament as he was never keen on politics. I have complete faith in you. Your voice is identical. Although she has no talent in writing, yes, she decided to be an author. The color of the dress have faded away. Now come to the next point. Next is speaking skills. You have already read about many preposition. आप बहुत सारी preposition के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं. Frame 5 sentences from them and discuss them with your partner. आपको 5 sentence बनाने हैं उन preposition को यूज करके और आपको अपने partner के साथ discuss करना है. Thank you students.